Well, what do we have here? It's your boy OD from Mad Trucks, out here adding another part to the F350 tow truck. Today we're going to be putting on MBRP catback exhaust 5-inch. I'm going with the catback exhaust because in California you can't really get rid of your cat, and I don't feel like putting it on, taking it off, going to get my car or going to get the truck smogged. So we'll be putting this, and I did get a 5-inch because it's only catback, so I figured if I'm going to get one, I'm going to get the biggest one. They do make a 4-inch, but I decided to go with the 5-inch. Trying to keep this video short and sweet because there's plenty of videos showing you like all the technicals on installing it. I really just want to show you kind of what it looks like before and after, and the sound. I don't think it's going to sound much different, but we'll see. So there's plenty of videos to show you actually how to install this. You know, it's pretty much you just take off the old one and put on a new one. And I may put a link in the description to a video that I think is good. But again, today I just want to get this thing on, show you what it looks like, dress up the tow truck a little bit, and keep moving. So let's break open this box and see what we got. All right, so we're in the back of the truck right now. Here's what the old one looks like. We got the stock, and this is all stock right now. Stock chrome tip, real small. So this is the difference. This is what the new one's gonna look like. Much bigger. This is a 6-inch tip, 5-inch inlet, and a 6-inch. So let's put it on there so you just get an idea of what it's gonna look like. Already that looks better. So we'll have to mess with the distance, pull out on it a little bit, yeah. So anyway, we're gonna get to work putting this on. Actually, we're gonna do a sound test first. We're gonna do a sound test first. Then we're gonna get back, put this on, and see what the finished product looks like.
All right.
All right, we're back out here. It is definitely a different day. That last time when we did the install, it got dark before we got finished because we had to cut the dang exhaust. It became kind of a pain. So, and then the next day it was raining and I didn't want to film the exhaust tip all rained out. So it's been a while since we did the last video, but I still want to finish this up. So what we're gonna do right now is I did the test of starting it up last time. So I'm going to do the test of starting it up with the new exhaust. And I was actually quite surprised. I didn't expect it to sound any different, but the 5-inch MBRP with the little muffler, it sounds just right. So we'll see what you guys think. Leave a note in the comment if you like it. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs up if you like it, like the sound. So without further ado, we're gonna put that camera by the tip, just fire them up and let you guys hear how it sounds. All right, so let me know what you think. I think it sounds pretty good, actually. I was really surprised because I just wanted it for the look. I didn't expect it to sound much better because I still have the catalytic converter on. But yeah, it sounds pretty good. Let me know what you think. It's your boy OD, the Mad Trucks, I'm out.